Want to make your Excel reports look cleaner, smarter, and more professional, just like this? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to insert a diagonal line in Excel and neatly split your cell labels. Okay, let's get started. Let's say you're creating a monthly sales report. Column A lists employee names, and the top row shows months from January to July. Now, instead of using two separate headers for month and name, we want to combine them into a single cell with a diagonal line for a sleek, organized look. Click on cell A2. Right-click on it and choose Format Cells. You can press Ctrl+1 for a faster shortcut to open the Format Cells dialog box. Now go to the Border tab. Choose a style. In the lower section, click on the diagonal line icon that goes from top right to bottom left. Once selected, click OK. And just like that, you've added a diagonal line inside the cell. Next, we'll add our labels to either side of the line. Click inside A2 and type month. Then press Alt+Enter after month to move name to the next line within the same cell. Now let's align everything for a clean appearance. Select A2. Go to the Home tab. In the alignment settings, set both horizontal and vertical alignment to center. To improve the layout, use the spacebar to add spacing. Adjust row height and column width so the diagonal line stands out and the text doesn't look cramped. And just like that, if you found this tip helpful, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tutorials. Got a formatting challenge you're stuck on? Drop it in the comments. I just might cover it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.